Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Mila B, and today I'm doing something just crazy, like out of boredom. So I took two forms and I placed them together and I applied them to my nail. And don't ask me why I want to do this, but I just wanted to see how long of a nail I can make. So by no means is this a tutorial on how to do this because I did not make sure that my apex was perfect. I did not make sure I had the strength, but I just wanted to play around. So I just filed down that glitter nail that I had, and I'm coming in with some Acrylic clear poly gel, and I'm applying it all the way to the end of the form. So this took a ton of poly gel, y'all. Like, literally, I could have did a whole full set probably with all the poly gel I used. I tried to do a thin layer at the bottom, but when I tried to take off the form after I cured it, it didn't work. So I had to come in and actually add a little bit more poly gel so that way I can at least have it strong enough to take off the nail forms without it tearing or breaking. So curing this nail, y'all, took forever. I literally had to cure the bottom, middle, and the end for 60 seconds a piece. So, and I had my baby lamp. So it took forever. And then I just kind of flash cured it actually, and then added some glitter. And then I came in to encapsulate the nail. So this is where I kind of tried to pay a little bit more attention to the structure of the nail. But then after a while, I was like, man, forget it. I'm not going to wear this nail for real, so who cares? I'm just bored and wanting to see what I can do. So right here, you just see me encapsulating the nail. So any of you who work with polygel know that McCart's clear polygel is the GOAT. However, it is super sticky, so my patience is like level 0. Most of the time I use this, I use it with a form because, actually a dual form, because to me it just makes the process quicker. So after I cured my nails, I realized I wanted a little bit more glitter. So I used the top coat and then applied more glitter, and then I encapsulated with the poly gel. I know some of y'all are wondering why I would do this, but honestly, at this point, I was questioning myself too because this took entirely too long. Like, I could have did both hands by the time I did this one nail. So will I do this again? Honestly, probably not. Maybe, I don't know, y'all. Y'all know me, I'm random. But as of now, probably not. I don't have the patience. So after I cured this nail for 30 minutes, just kidding y'all, I wiped it off with some rubbing alcohol. And then I came in with my e-file because like I said, by this time, y'all, my patience was like negative nothing. Like I literally watched a whole episode of 90 Day Fiance and I still wasn't done with this one nail. So I came in with my e-file trying to smooth out as much as I can. Y'all see those little dips and ridges? Oh well. Act like you don't see them. And then I came in with my hand file to continue to shape my nails. I did leave this in here because I hear y'all. Y'all keep saying y'all want to see me filing. I don't know why. It takes forever and it's hard to stay in frame, but whatever y'all want, that's fine. So after I got done filing, I came in with my top coat. And then I decided to add a couple of rhinestones. I'll leave everything in the description box. I do always coat under my nails with a no wipe coat because I just feel like it keeps the nails cleaner. When I wash my hands, it just looks more aesthetically pleasing. So that's my purpose. And then I apply my rhinestones. I cure and add some Parker J's cuticle oil to my nails. And y'all, I'm done. Like, y'all see this ridiculously long nail? Well, I measured it. But anyways, if you stayed to the end of this video, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Thank you so much, and I will see you guys in my next video. Mila B, out.